Great! The class WhatsApp group is actually silent today. What a peaceful day. No spam, no notifications, nothing. Wait, what? Tomorrow test? Oh my god, if the test is confirmed, then I have to study. Hey, but what if it's not confirmed? I am going to play games because I am totally safe. You know what? That's literally how Python conditions work. It looks at the situation, checks the facts, and makes a decision. Let's put it in code. Let's consider that test is confirmed. Python reads this line by line. It checks, is test confirmed true? If it is true, then it runs the first block and prints, oh my god, I should study. If it is false, then it skips to the else and prints, relax, play video games. Now let's run our code. Perfect, the output says I should study. Now let's change is test confirmed to false. Great, now it says relax and play video games. Wait, I just removed some space. Why is my code screaming at me? It's a classic beginner mistake. In Python, spaces matter. Without that, Python throws a massive tantrum called an indentation error. To fix this, just hit tab, give it that space, and your code works perfectly. Now it's your turn. Read the challenge on the screen and paste your code in the comment. And subscribe to my channel to learn Python in fun and simple way.